Oh my god, this is actually a limited edition Hermes bag. The customer, Ms. Lee, said she picked it up on a construction site in a wealthy community. The bag was covered with cement. It took me a lot of effort to clean this bag. This side was severely burned. I wonder if it can be renovated? Ms. Lee said that she really wanted a Kelly bag, and all her friends had it, but the price was too expensive, so she wanted me to see if I could make one for her. Then I definitely can't live up to Ms. Lee's expectations of me, but this leather can only be transformed into a mini Kelly. I haven't rested for a week to improve this bag. But you only need to take 1 second to click a little heart to encourage me. I'm thrilled. If you give me likes and ask me to change the package, I won't charge you for your labor time. It's all my wish. The bag is finished. A cement bag counterattacks a new mini Kelly. Do you like it? Tell me in the comments section.